Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you guys the unboxing and review of the PowerDeWise Lavalier Microphone Set. Alright, so we just received this lavalier microphone, and you can see here that it goes on a bunch of different devices. So it goes on your desktop computer, laptop, cell phone, iPad device, and DSLR camera. And you know, I actually have this connected to our DSLR camera right now, and I'll show you that setup in just a second. But let's start the unboxing. All right, you've got a couple of, instructions and a little lens cleaner little pouch thingy right here. And then you've got this little case, and this thing right here, this yellow thing says, okay, easy steps to great recordings. Number one, plug it into the iPhone and make sure it is a tight connection. So you've got this little pouch right here. Let's open it up. I love it when they provide like a carrying case. It just makes it a lot easier to put everything in. So first thing is this pouch right here. And they've got two replacement windscreen muffs. These things right here. And they've got this connection cord, and if you read it, it says it's an adapter for PC, laptop, and camera. And this is what I actually have connected to this camera right here. Next, we've got the extension cord, and it's actually quite long. So if I remove the strap here, you can see that it is pretty long. This is just the extension cord. And then we've got the actual lapel microphone, and it's got a little clip right here. And this is the exact same thing that I'm wearing right now. So I'm just going to show you how I would hook this up to my cell phone. I've got an iPhone here, and in this case I need the actual lapel microphone, this cord right here, and I don't need the extension because I don't need it to be that long. That's only when you really need to extend it. But you also need this if you have an iPhone. This comes with your iPhone. This is so that you can plug in the audio jack to your iPhone, because iPhone comes with this kind of a slot. So you need this. So you need to find this for your iPhone. If you've got an Android, then it's going to work fine. But you just want to plug it in here like that. And then I'm going to unwrap the lapel microphone here, unwrap it, and this part goes over here, and you want to make sure to snap it in correctly. And then now I've got it all set up to my cell phone, and I've got the microphone right here, and then I can then attach this on here like I do right here. So I'm just going to do a test recording right now. So I'm going to put it on video, turn it towards me. Alright, so we've got a test recording here of the PowerDeWise lapel microphone. How does this sound? I'm tapping on it here, and it's plugged in. I've snapped it on. How does this sound? Alright, so another thing to note is after you have recorded something on your phone, you need to unplug it before you can listen to it, because if you have it plugged in and then you go to play it, it's not going to play the audio. So just now I just tried to play it with everything plugged into my phone, and it was just silent, and you might think that, oh, it didn't work and the audio didn't capture, but it was only until I unplugged it from my phone that it started working. So you can see. Alright, so we've got a test recording here of the PowerDeWise lapel microphone. So the audio does work on it, and I'll have this loaded up on the actual video so you guys can hear the difference. Alright, so we've got a test recording here of the PowerDeWise lapel microphone. How does this sound? I'm tapping on it here and it's plugged in. I've snapped it on. How does this sound? I've snapped it on. How does this sound? From what I can hear, it sounds clear. It sounds really good. I am indoors while I'm recording. I haven't tested it outside, but from what I can hear, it's definitely an upgrade from a regular audio recording on your iPhone. All right, so this is an audio recording without the microphone. Let's see, is this different from having the lapel mic plugged in? Let's test it out. All right, so this is an audio recording without the microphone. Let's see, is this different from having the lapel mic plugged in? Let's test it out. All right, so this is the setup that we have on our DSLR camera. This is the Canon M50, and I've got this connector plugged to here, and then I've got the actual lapel microphone that goes down and then is right here, as you can see on my shirt. And I'm not using the extension because I don't need it. I'm standing right in front of the camera. And how does it sound? So you can see that this works great on the DSLR camera, on my cell phone. You can also use this for your laptop or your iPad. And it's a really easy setup to improve your audio. If you guys are interested in checking this lavalier microphone out, you guys can head down to the description below. I will have the Amazon links for you guys. So I do highly recommend this. Everything comes in the case. You've got the actual lavalier microphone, the extension, the connector. If you've got an iPhone, you got to make sure that you have that extra connection cord as well. This cord. So that was the unboxing and review of the PowerDeWise Lavalier microphone. I highly recommend it. Check it out. Links are down in the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.